Alright, we got a new one. Apparently some Gen Zer took the police on a 117-mile-per-hour chase. If you're new here, subscribe. Like the video. Definitely like the video. That helps a lot. And let's see what this Gen Zer did. Now, if you don't know, I do look a little older. I am like a little older Gen Z, my nigga. But hey, bro, don't be, you know what I'm saying? You did.
The erratic driving prompted the officer to attempt to stop, but he had no idea what was fueling.
If you don't know, I'm one of the Gen Zers. 01, baby. What car you think he rolling in, bro? That'd be the problem right there. I totally forgot. We're only supposed to be doing fast cars on here. Maybe I'll just stop this. A Honda Cat? I'll give it a view. I'll give it a look. You know, them Hondas are notorious for being faster than what they give off. I'll give it a look. Let's get a little comfortable here. Got real comfy, actually. Sheesh.
Coming up over the hill right here. Medium traffic. Inside of the lane.
What type of Honda is it? A Civic?
It's the right line of speeds are 70, approaching 70 seconds.
This ain't the one with the laptop in it, though. It's one of them slow Civics.
Green light at 70 seconds, approaching the red. I'm gonna see if I can get that channel to go south of
Uh-oh. This ain't GSP, so I don't think they're gonna...
Alright, South Green Bay, South Green Bay.
I guess. Uh-oh.
55. I'm gonna
Bringing out the chains.
Coming in with me here.
How fast do they move with those? Oh, I guess very fucking quick. Sheriff deputy.
North 85th. 10-4 approaching Bain Station. Speeds are 90. Lane 2.
Bro, why whenever they put out the sticks, it ain't nobody in sight?
Speeds 105. Light traffic. Still coming up towards you.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, he missed him. He missed him.
Alright, passing the PD. Lane 2. Still going south.
There's a lot going on.
Still going down 70 miles an hour.
Not like how everybody else is normal traffic, so they just like whatever.
Alright, speeds are 87 and increasing, passing Meyer Distribution.
Outside lane, lane 3, outside lane.
Bro, the way they throw them out, it don't seem like they do a good job of throwing it out. I feel like we got another speed check coming up. Let's see if he hits it or not. Oh, he got popped. He got popped.
209 southbound, speeds are 70 and increasing, approaching 104th. No traffic. Road conditions good.
What a waste of time, buddy.
Increasing, approaching the red light, 104th. We are slowing down. Let's see if I can.
Did the sticks do anything though?
We're flattening tires here, guys, so if we can talk to them.
I don't think them sticks did anything, bro. That Honda, you know, them Hondas be a little durable, man.
We got both right tires flat.
Never mind. He just rolling on flats, bro. He must got some run flats. Oh man, nah, he's just super flats. It might be over with for you, bro. If he taps you, it's over with.
209 PD, we're still south. Both right tires are flat.
If he taps you, it's over with. And that's the difference between Georgia. Why does Georgia have so much jurisdiction on how they can pit people?
209 both tires are flat. Adam King Young, 2774, unknown occupants. Approaching 116 business. Start
I think the tire just fell off. See, now this is real, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, they ain't just. Oh yeah, man, that's solid work right there. That is some solid work right there, man. Look at that. Dang, that's more scary than getting pitted, bro. Just getting boxed in. Oh man, getting boxed in would scare me a lot more. Oh, okay. Ah, man. Imagine you getting boxed in so bad that the police jump the curve too. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ah, come on, bro. Oh, Brody a little scared. State line? Do y'all gotta stop chasing like on some GTA stuff, like just immediately after the state line? Nah, don't look like it. Y'all boys better start y'all boys better stop that GTA stuff, bruh. They whole keep coming. GTA not real life, bruh. You get overly boxed in. He's overly boxed in. Hit it. Alright. He is over. Bro, they're not doing it. Somebody's scared. Somebody's a little scared at how they driving, bro. Uh-oh. Nah, they just said like we just put him. That's it. That is it. Oh man.
One voice.
Oh, look at the dog. I gotta see what happens. Usually I stop after the chase, but I gotta see.
We're fine. Slow down. Turn the sirens off.
Uh-oh.
Turn the sirens off.
Vetted police officer right there. Vetted officer.
I don't know how. Turn the sirens
So
off.
what? I said I don't know how to turn this shit off.
Chill out.
You said somebody on command, the police officer will bite you. Do you understand?
Get out and walk towards that police dog.
That's fine. Do not run.
Hands visible.
You okay? I'm fine. He hit Armando.
Yeah, several times.
Keep those hands visible, driver. Crawl out, keep your hands visible.
Yep. Walk towards that dog, otherwise we're letting it go.
They got bro doing gymnastics in the car. Hands gotta stay up. He gotta crawl through the window.
Step back towards us.
Excuse me.
Towards us. You got hands. Step back. Keep going. Anyone else in the car? Keep coming back. Drop to your knees. You will get bit.
We need you to put your hands up or you
Who else in the car?
There's no one in the car. It's just me. There's no one in the car. 100%.
Let's get him back.
It's just me.
Weapons?
In the car, yes.
What's in the car?
Can still carry Glock.
You're under arrest.
32 in the car.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna get you guys in the car. Here.
He like, bro, I mean, I got caught. Bro, how were you trying to run in a Honda, though? Oh, dang, they just said.
All right, there we go.
They said, forget it. We'll just bust the window
One in
open.
custody. They're clearing the vehicle now.
For speeding. Just so you know, you're getting charged with attempted homicide, okay?
Attempted homicide.
100%.
Whoa.
Who is in 42? All right. You hit it, right? Without the bumper? All right.
Don't
Whoa.
plan on getting out.
It's probably the dumbest shit I've ever seen someone do.
Did you piss yourself too? Because you're
I
so
think
afraid?
they're just whack.
I just have like prayers and stuff.
Step back. 9-8, we're gonna need Lake County for a crash doc.
Whoa.
Pull it.
One bullet in the pocket.
Your car's done.
Are you okay though?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Sorry, guys.
So yeah, at least 3 counts of attempted homicide. And I'm gonna be very confident in that charge.
I don't think he's serious, though. I don't think he's like. I don't believe him.
You intentionally struck multiple squad cars for a speeding violation and a stop sign violation.
More.
Sit.
There's more in there? Thank you. Hold. Oh. Welcome to Prairie.
Y'all let me know. Is that valid?
Dude, I mean, too sure I did not try to strike any cars. I was definitely just trying to get out and away, but it's alright, it's fine. We do want we have cameras. I did not try to, I mean, definitely reckless try to.
What's going on, dude?
How you doing, boss?
You okay?
Yeah, they hit me a couple times, but it wasn't anything damaging to me or whatnot.
All right. Did you take anything tonight?
Oh yeah,
What'd you take?
crack and cocaine.
Okay.
Damn.
And how long ago did you
He's
do
on
it?
them drugs.
I mean, just all day.
I mean that kind of okay. Well, that's why he's running, man. Crack. The crack made him do it. He was a crackhead. That's why he was running.
Yeah.
When did you do it last?
Like, probably right before I left Target.
Okay.
So pretty much as soon as he came and got me, so probably like
Yeah.
10, 15, 20 minutes.
Okay. And you're sure you don't want to take it to the hospital?
I'm okay, yeah.
Okay.
Because he's high
Do you know
still.
how much you took?
Enough to stay high right now.
Crack, about 7, 8 G's.
7 or 8
probably
grams
2.
of crack.
According to the police report,
Sheesh.
officers searched the suspect's vehicle and found a glass bong with white residue, a bag containing a white rocky
man.
substance, a second bag containing a white powder,
Oh,
a
man.
second bong with white residue,
Oh,
and a Glock 19
man.
with laser sight and extended magazine loaded with a single 9mm round. The suspect, identified as Marco.
Well, there you have it, folks. That is not your typical crackhead look, but those are very typical crackhead actions. If you're new here, subscribe, like the video. I'll see y'all next one.